This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you how to stretch a couple pelvic floor muscles. This helps with lower back and hip pain, as well as pelvic floor dysfunction. Goodness, Nova, what's up? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, everybody knows to like, follow, and subscribe. Who doesn't want to power their healing? It's super easy. All you need is a firm surface like a yoga mat on the floor. You start by laying on your back with the soles of your feet on the floor. Bring your right knee as close to your armpit as you can. Your left leg can stay where it's at, or you can extend it. Honestly, what matters is that you're comfortable. Hold this for 15 to 30 seconds and release. Repeat 2 more times. And of course, do the same for the other side. To make this easier, do the same move with a yoga strap, just like this. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. And thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.